Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Patil, Senior Lecturer of IF Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. In sixth semester of Computer and IF branch, we have new subject emerging trends in computer and information technology. For this subject, we have total 6 chapters. So we start from first chapter, that is artificial intelligence, means AI.
The next part or next concept of first chapter is what is machine learning. In the real world, we are surrounded by humans who can learn everything from their experiences with their learning capability, and we have computers or machines which work on our instructions. But can a machine also learn from experiences or past data like a human does? So, here comes the role of machine learning. Here is one picture which showing a human and a machine. A human can learn everything automatically by experiences. Can you learn? A human asking to a machine. Machine says, yes, I can also learn from past data with the help of machine learning. Continue with the machine learning. Machine learning is said as a subset of artificial intelligence that is mainly concerned with the development of algorithms which allow a computer to learn from the data and past experiences on their own. The term machine learning was first introduced by Arthur Samuel in 1959. We can define it in a summarized way as machine learning enables a machine to automatically learn from data, improve performance from experiences, and predict things without being explicitly programmed. With the help of sample historical data, which is known as training data, machine learning algorithms build a mathematical model that helps in making predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning brings computer science and statistics together for creating predictive models. Machine learning constructs or uses algorithms that learn from historical data. The more we will provide the information, the higher will be the performance. The importance of machine learning can be easily understood by its uses cases. Currently, machine learning is used in self-driving car, cyber fraud detection, face recognition, and friend suggestion by Facebook, etc. Various top companies such as Netflix and Amazon have built machine learning models that are using a vast amount of data to analyze the user interest and recommend product accordingly. Here is the next and the last concept of first chapter is deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning and machine learning is a subset of AI. Means here we say AI consists machine learning and deep learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning where concerned algorithms are inspired by its structure and functions of the brain called artificial neural networks. All the value today of deep learning is enough supervised learning or learning from labeled data and algorithms. Each algorithm in deep learning goes through the same process. It includes a hierarchy of nonlinear transformation of input that can be used to generate a statistical model as output. Here is the summary of first chapter, Artificial Intelligence. What is AI? Goals of AI. What compose to AI? Applications of AI. History of AI. What is intelligence composed of? Difference between human and machine intelligence. Speech and voice recognition. Task classification of AI. Scope of AI. Types of AI. Machine learning. And lastly, deep learning. These topics we covered in first chapter. Thank you. Here we end with the first chapter, that is artificial intelligence. Thanks again.